Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to sync or unsync contact on TikTok. For that you have to open a TikTok account. Click onto profile icon. Look at the right corner, tap on three line, settings and privacy. Select to second option, privacy. Scroll down and tap onto sync contact and Facebook friend. And now you can easily enable and disable this option from here. So that's how you can easily sync or unsync. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.